Good evening, dear friends. Punarvas Jayakumar here. A few days back, I had started a series called the Career Mentorship series, of which we had discussed the first topic, that was an overview of ACCA. In this video today, I'll be discussing about a nice, enticing concept called CIA, Certified Internal Auditor. In the face of global regulatory changes, the profession of internal auditing is expanding a lot, and internal auditors are in high demand, whether it be in public companies, private companies, government offices, non-profit organizations, etc. But have you ever wondered, what does an internal auditor do? As you know, an organization has complex processes, and internal auditors are like Sherlock Holmes. They provide objective, professional advice to all levels of the organization and pave the path towards organizational growth. From reporting on the efficacy of operations, or to deter financial fraud or misrepresentation, misappropriation, embezzlement of cash, of anything for that matter, they will ensure that the rules and regulations of a particular organizations are followed with strict adherence to internal controls. As you know, in auditing, in Companies Act 143(3)(I), section clearly says that an auditor has to also ensure the operating effectiveness of the internal financial controls. So that is where internal auditor comes into force. So a CIA can take up many roles in the future. He can be an internal audit manager, chief internal auditor, quality assurance manager, and anything, so to speak. So of course, you need to have a lot of knowledge about corporate governance, of course, the internal auditing standards, about the organizational structure, about all the controls, and how would you audit those controls. So that's why this would give a great insight into that particular area, and this certification would add a lot of value to your CV, undoubtedly, because you would also go into risk management, fraud control, and so many things in an organization. You are independent agent, so to speak, within the organization to ensure that the organization will run smoothly. And I would see in the foreseeable future, the value of an internal auditor would only increase manifold because of so many frauds that are happening, which started with, the Satyam scam way before, and after that we had Vijay Mallya running away from the country, and you have, of course, the deadliest scam of our country, ILFS scam, which I have also mentioned in my classes, if you remember. So yes, for those of you who find business operations intriguing, and the fact that you need to make these controls better, operations better, and if you have that Sherlock Holmes bent of mind, very interesting concept this is, Certified Internal Auditor. A quick thing as to what all you need to do. And of course, my dear friends, as you all know, I have partnered with my guru, Shri Vinod Gupta sir, and we have the best in the world, best trainers in the world, and best content providers in the world to ensure that the CIA degree is yours. Generally, other organizations, including ICAI, conducts the CIA examination, but the certificate will be provided by ICAI. But the differentiating factor here is this certification comes from the International Institute of Internal Auditors, directly from there, and we have an excellent content partner in Gleam, one of the world's best content partners, who will be guiding you in exactly how to crack this examination. So as I told you, it is international qualification awarded by the Institute of Internal Auditors. The CIA qualification ranks globally on par with other courses like CPA, CMA, ACCA, CIMA, etc. Career opportunities, you can become an internal auditor in any of these companies, my dear friends, because it is almost like 1,63,000 plus designations are already there, with 900 plus testing centers across the world for you to get this degree. And of course, it is there, presence is there in 150 plus countries. Any developing or developed country, you name it, the presence of the institute is already there in that, right? So career paths, you can become a cost accountant, financial manager, CFO, chief financial officer, financial analyst, risk manager, whatever it is. And the average salary in US for a very good professionally qualified CIA is $85,000. $85,000. Sir, I don't want to go abroad. My thing is to, my vision is to stay in India. The starting salary would be around 10 lakh rupees. If you're already a CA, it would definitely add a feather in the cap, and in any organization will, welcome you with open arms if you can say that you also have a CIA degree. You can work in any country that you want, as I told you, 150 plus countries, because it's a globally recognized qualification. It is most important thing here is a certificate is awarded by the Institute of Internal Auditors, an internationally acclaimed professional organization. So how to become CIA? See, our office will guide you each and every step. This is just an overview, just for you to have a basic overview and basic bird's eye view of the entire course. Anybody with a bachelor's degree can apply. That's the best part. You need not be a CA, CMA. These are all added advantages, but anybody, if you have a bachelor's degree, you can apply. Students of final year or writing final year BCom, BBA, whatever it is, they can also apply. You can schedule your exam within 180 days of application, provide all the relevant documents, and yes, you should report CP, that is continuous professional education hours, all that. This is the basic 4 simple steps. Examination patterns, there will be 3 patterns, 3 parts to it. The first one would be 125 questions with 150 minutes, essentials of internal auditing. Guys, everything will be practical. There will be no theory here. Everything will be practical oriented. Case studies will be given to you. So it's like actually solving a puzzle, very, very interesting. And next is practice of internal auditing, 100 questions, 120 minutes. And third one, business knowledge of internal auditing, 100 questions, 120 minutes. So we at Gleam along with VGLD Advait will be providing you 100 plus hours of live online classes. The classes have already begun for the next exam. Again, the classes will again be scheduled 100 plus hours, 100% English. The classes will be in 100% English. And we have industry experts who have actually worked, ex-CEOs, ex-CFOs coming and training here. Of course, we have a free Gleam software access also for 18 months. And a 3-part review course also will be to ensure that you would obviously clear the examination. Study material will be provided as well, and entire thing will be worked out in a simulated work environment, exam environment, so that you can definitely have the actual experience of writing the CIA exam. And we also have a comprehensive question bank which will be provided to you as well. All our alumni are placed in top companies. VG sir is associated in a way since almost 30 plus years, and he has transformed lakhs and lakhs of students. And even I am here to ensure that every step of the way we will be mentoring you. We have trained almost 3 lakh plus students in the past few years, and we have produced more than 1,200 rankers in this particular qualification. And yes, any doubts, anything that you have, my dear friends, please, this is the number to call. Counseling will be absolutely free of cost. It doesn't matter whether you join us or not. We are very, very happy to tell you what is CIA. See, do not have that thing that, oh, if I call, I will join. No problem. We will, you don't have any knowledge about CIA, please call us. We will guide you. So many people have enrolled already and they're enjoying the classes to the hilt. All, dynamic professors teaching you. It is going to be an awesome course. And guys, this will add a feather to the cap, and also especially Advait VGLD synergy, because of which you'll also be getting around 16 to 17,000 off on the final classes and the registration, everything put together, around 17,000 off. You'll be getting 17,000 off. That is only possible through us. Okay. If you are interested, or even if you want to know more about the course, I have no idea about CIS, sir. Please guide me. We are here for you. Please call these numbers or drop in a mail to advaitlearningoffice@gmail.com. We are the official partners of VGLD in South India and the only official partner of VGLD in the whole of the country. So we will guide you, my dear friends, and we will ensure that we will be a small part of your entire professional journey. So please do call us, and I hope you enjoyed the session. If you have more doubts, please go to the comment section and comment whatever doubts you have. My team will call you. We'll just drop in a message saying that please drop in a message to so and so number. My team will personally call you and counsel you, whether it's 10 minutes, 15 minutes, half an hour, all your doubts will be clarified. Okay. On that note, this comes to an end in the career mentorship session part 2. More exciting sessions coming your way. Stay tuned, my dear friends. Take care.